And for the final question we'll look at today, we're going to be looking at a question from the bonding paper that asks us to explain the meaning of the term hybridization, shown by the carbon atoms in CO2, diamond, graphite, and the carbonate ion. So for this this question, what we really need to do is break down the question, because obviously there's a lot of things happening and it's all for 5 marks. So firstly, you can look at explain the meaning of the term hybridization. You don't even have to look at shown by, that's not necessary. Then you need to state what type of hybridization is shown in CO2, diamond, graphite, and the carbonate ion. So you can see that there's 4 examples that they want to give, which suggests that those might be worth 4 marks and that the hybridization is only worth 1 mark. This is purely a knowledge question. Because it's not giving you anything that you technically have to work out what type of hybridization is, you just have to be able to regurgitate it on your paper. So for the definition of hybridization, it is the mixing of orbitals to form new orbitals. That's it, simple. Make sure that when you write it, you don't say hybridizing or anything similar to hybridization, because then you will not get the mark for that. Then for your knowledge aspect of it and your regurgitation, can't even say the word, stop trying to use it on you. You can see that CO2 is an sp hybridization, diamond is sp3, graphite sp2, and carbonate ion is sp2 again. Again, this is just knowledge, so it should be one of the easiest things to be asked. The only hard thing I feel about this question is the way that they ask it, because it seems like they want you to explain hybridization in terms of the carbon atoms and not just hybridization in general. And then you're not really sure whether you're supposed to say sp3 or explain how the hybridization happens in these 4 molecules. But as long as you stop, break down the question, and just make sure that you understand what it's asking, you can easily get all 5 marks. Thanks for tuning in, and see you never.